Alright, so welcome to my garden. I call this my happy place. I have loved gardening as far back as I was about 6. I took it from my mother. We grew up in the village where obviously everything that you had to eat, you had to grow it yourself. So, I mean, as long as I can remember, we always had a garden. So even now, I mean, I'm working at the lodge. I have everything, but gardening still happens. Gardening is what I love. I spent my alone moment right here. I mean, talking to my plants gives me so much inner peace. So for me, it's very easy because everything is around me. I mean, I keep village chickens, so I get manure from right there and then bring it here. So you can see today was big planting day. So if I take you around my garden, over here we've got rep. Rep is widely eaten in Zambia. Over here we've got what we call sugar loaf. Sugar loaf we eat a lot as well. Chinese cabbage, I think you're very familiar with Chinese cabbage. This is spinach right here. And of course, every cooking in Zambia needs a lot of onion. So these are onions. Over here, this is impwa. Impwa is such a delicacy. I mean, my husband loves it. So this is the impwa bed. Over here, this is chomolia. Chomolia falls in the rep family. We eat that a lot as well. And of course, beetroots. You know how healthy they are. So this is the bed for beetroot. And then, because we are typical village people, you can see how big that bed is. We have planted the maize over there because we have maize all the seasons in Zambia. So that's the bed for maize. And then over here, we eat a lot of chihuahua. Chihuahua is pumpkin leaves. So also because it takes so much space, that's why I've put it away from everything else. That's the bed. And then over here, spring onions, just for flavor in the food. This is the little portion. And then here, sweet potato leaves are also a delicacy in Zambia. That's the little portion for kalembla. And then, because my garden is not as big, I mean, some of the beds we need to share. So I'm going to plant some okra, half of here. Because okra also is such a great vegetable. So yeah, but also I mean I get very dirty, which I love. You need to connect to air. So we don't put on gloves or anything. I just use my hands for everything. So just a second, let me just get my seeds quickly so that I can show you how we do it. These are the seeds for okra, so it's very easy. I mean, what I will do, I'll start from here. You just need to plant directly, and we just use hands like that. One there, and then one there, then one there, and then right there. Okay. So basically, this is it. So for me, one thing is the budget for vegetables, not for me. I would save that money for something else because my vegetables will come from right here. All right. So come a month from now, this place will be so beautiful and green because everything would have grown a little bit. All right, so that's it. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right.
my